Before you begin, please review this video guide in its entirety before you do an installation. All information can be found at basementdefender.com/support. Be sure to download the free Basement Defender app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. The Basement Defender is compatible with any 120-volt 19-amp AC pumps with a mechanical float switch. The Zoller N98 does not have a float switch and can be plugged directly into the Basement Defender unit. If using a N98, you can skip tying the float switch up. Everything you need is included in the kit. Part 1. Prepare the AC pump. Using a zip tie, tie the float switch up in the on position. Trim off the excess zip tie. Mount the DC backup pump to the AC pump outlet as shown. To conserve space as well as supporting the pump, adjust the DC pump's coupling over the AC pump. Tighten the hose clamps. Next, drill a 1/8 inch hole above the coupling. Try to angle the hole towards the bottom of the sump pit to keep as little water splashing out when the pump runs. Attach the mechanical float switch just above the DC float switch clamp. Be sure the float does not come in contact with the pump or other objects. Lower the AC pump into the sump pit. Part 2. Mounting the device. Attach the discharge line to the backup pump's coupling and glue in place. Mount the Basement Defender 3 feet above the top of the sump pit. Mount the charger 8 inches above the unit and tighten the clamp. Plug in the AC float switch to the bottom of the unit where it says AC float. Connect the charger to the charger plug on the left side of the unit labeled Charger. Connect the AC pump's power cord to the receptacle labeled AC pump on the bottom left of the unit. Connect the DC pump connector in the appropriate outlet under Backup. Connect the battery connector in the appropriate outlet under Backup next to the pump connector. Connect the temperature and humidity sensor to the upper right side of the unit. The sensor should be mounted away from the sump pit, exterior walls, windows, water pipes, and air ducts. Plug in the AC power cable to the top of the unit labeled AC Power. Part 3. Backup battery installation and powering the unit. Pair the battery cable and charger wires and attach to the color-coordinated poles. Plug the unit power cord into a wall outlet with a dedicated circuit breaker. Part 4. Connecting the Wi-Fi. At the homeowner's Wi-Fi router, plug the Ethernet cable into the WAN port on the back of the yellow router. Plug the other end into the back of the homeowner's router in a LAN port. Connect the power cord to the yellow router. Connect the other end to the power cube and plug into an open outlet. The Wi-Fi will automatically connect to the unit. Push the test button to learn the pumps. Now, tidy up the cables for a clean installation. Open the Basement Defender app. Then click Device Setup on the bottom of the screen. Enter the serial number and MAC address. along with your email. Under Setting up a new account, enter your first and last name. Then click Next. You will get a screen that says you successfully registered your account. An account activation email will be sent to the email entered to activate your free 12-month trial plan. Everything can be found online at basementdefender.com/support.